I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have a table with headers. Start now by identifying the lookup column and the area where results will spill. First, select an empty cell and type equals filter to begin. Explain to yourself that array is the table column you want returned, include is the logical test that yields true for matches, and if empty gives an alternate when no results exist. Once done, press enter and the filter function will dynamically spill matching rows. Make sure to lock ranges if copying formulas. Now handle complex criteria. Build the include argument with expressions like A equals G1 asterisk B B100 for and or A equals G1 plus C equals active for or the multiplication and addition coerce true/false to 1/0. If you need multiple return columns, supply a multi-column array such as B, D as the first argument. Filter will spill each matching row across columns. Once done, nest if-error or use the if-empty parameter to produce a friendly message instead of errors when nothing matches. Finish by considering alternatives and a key troubleshooting tip. If you lack filter, construct an index/small/if array formula or add a helper column with sequential numbers for matches, then pull rows by index. Make sure to clean data, trim extra spaces, and convert numbers stored as text because mismatched types cause missing results. If Excel reports a spill error, clear blocking cells or convert ranges to a proper table so the spill can expand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.